pretty girl called Terry Liu, and her love of her life is a cool dude called Michael Cho, which will become my brother-in-law soon. As her brother, I believe I have the authority to check on how their wedding is going to make sure everything goes well. So let's go check it out. Tell our viewers, when exactly is the big day?
It's gonna be the 12th of July, it's a Saturday, not a Sunday.
Yeah, so it's gonna be 12th of July, Sunday, it's a weekend.
Dude, it's Saturday, man.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, Saturday. You sure, right?
How did you meet my sister?
So it started in secondary school where we first met, and you know, it was the first day in school, and she walked up to me, and I already know from then on that she liked me.
We met in secondary school, and I remember he came up to me, and I knew then that he liked me, maybe even loved me.
The wedding proposal was romantic. Can you tell me all about it?
This one I can only say it's you know, I'm the shy type.
I'm so glad you asked me this question. Did you ask Michael that too? I'm sure he would tell. It was really romantic. So we're in the middle of this beautiful lake, right? It's called Lake Garda. It's Italy, it's called Riva, and he knelt down one knee and I popped the question.
So how's the wedding preparation coming along?
The wedding preparations, it's coming along, definitely. It's just tons to do, right? We have the invitation list,
Wedding preparation is, I can tell you, it's a very complicated process. It involves various stages of processes and tradition. And just know that it's very complicated, yeah.
So who are you inviting to the wedding?
You.
and you.
And you! Are you coming?